Welcome back to Inside South Florida. I'm Melissa Marrero. If you or a loved one needs speech therapy, now there's a way to do it that is just as effective and maybe more convenient. Avivit Ben-Aharon, the founder of GreatSpeech.com, explains.
Avivit, it's always good to see you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you, Dave, for having me on the show.
Of course. We're going to talk all about your company and the innovative things you guys are doing. But first, I think it's important to clear up some misconceptions about speech therapy. The first one is speech therapy is not just for people who have lisps and stutters, correct?
Absolutely. Speech therapy really covers a much larger gamut of intervention and remediation. We help kids that are struggling academically, who just need some help in school. We help those who stutter. We help articulation. We have people who've had some sort of traumatic brain injury or stroke recuperate and rehabilitate their skills. So it's a really, really large gamut of services that we provide.
Right, it's for young and it's for old
Absolutely.
As well. And the way that you're doing it is different than most. Explain that.
So we provide the speech therapy services online. So what that looks like is we interact through web conferencing technology, which is safe and secure and makes it very easy to connect. So it almost looks a little bit like FaceTime, but we use a different platform that is safe and secure. And we can engage and interact with our clients. We can share materials, we can share documents, we can share activities. So it's really a lot of fun and very, very efficient at the same time.
Right, you mentioned efficiency. I mean, everyone is so busy all the time, right? And if you have to take your child to the speech therapist, but you have other kids you have to be responsible for, now you don't have to leave your house, right?
You do not need to leave your house. You do not need to battle with traffic on I-95. Weather constraints are no longer an issue for us. It really makes it for a much more efficient interaction, and because of that, we're seeing amazing results with our clients. They are so happy with the results that they're receiving and obtaining, and it tends to be much shorter delivery model because we can keep it very, very consistent.
And you actually have therapists positioned throughout the country that deal with certain subspecialties, right?
Correct. We have speech therapists that are both within Florida and outside of Florida, and they all have different subspecialties. So we have speech therapists that treat specifically people who've had a traumatic brain injury or stroke. We help those who have who stutter or need articulation remediation or language disorders. So we really help a very large gamut of clients, and we match the clients based on this therapist's skill set and the client's needs. So it makes it very, very efficient.
And how do you, I know you sort of touched on this earlier, how do you make sure that it's safe and secure? You know, I think there's a fear that if something's on the internet that people will be able to see it.
Great point. So our platform that we use is a safe and encrypted platform. So whoever is invited to the meeting is the only person who can actually attend the meeting. So we keep it very, very safe in that regard. And
you're able to get the same results, if not better results, without the interpersonal interaction.
Yes, we are, because you know what? Most of us nowadays are so comfortable on the computer and are so comfortable. We're all digital natives. We are comfortable being in technology, and we're meeting our clients wherever they are. So it makes it much more efficient.
Okay, and if somebody wants to see you, the consultation is free?
Our initial consultation is free. It's a complimentary consultation, and we check to make sure that this would be a good model of intervention for that particular client.
Okay, sounds good.
It is great.
And if somebody wants to book a session with you, learn more, how can they find you?
GreatSpeech.com. Visit us on the web at GreatSpeech.com.
It is always good to see you, and
Nice
come back anytime you want.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You've got it.